Happy early 21st birthday, son. You have your own word. So this is the second room. He went off running all excited. So anyway, I'm just checking out, doing a video of the second room while he's doing whatever he's doing. His 21st birthday is tomorrow. So the mother that I am, I got him his own room. No more sharing a room with his mama. The rooms are nice here. So if you haven't already watched the road trip part of the vlog, we are in Miami. We are in Miami and celebrating my son's birthday. Let me see that he come back because he took off running. Here he is, the birthday boy. So what do you think?
I think that it's very great. I think that I'm gonna have a party.
What?
I think
Oh
this
Lord.
is the perfect spot to have 12 beers.
Oh. Oh God.
And there's some cigars right here just all lined up. But I think the thing that I'm most thankful for this year is the fact that I don't have to hear my mom snore. Because it's been a struggle, you know, all my life, and you know, I go back to the last time that I was sharing the room with my mom, and it's just like the sound barrier is broken, and my eardrums, I still have some minor tendonitis.
Just for all of that, I should take the room back.
And the thing about
because
it,
see how ungrateful
I
kids are.
I can't thank my fans enough for me being here, and I can't thank y'all enough. And it's been a long fight, and I gotta continue to have a warrior spirit.
This boy,
I understand that
21. I got him his own room, so he does not have to share on vacation with his mom.
See, you can't do this anyway.
Since he is 21 now, and better yet, I don't have to share with him. Ha ha!
Wow.
Ha ha! So now he wants to fix the temperature because I'm always cold.
But yeah, I mean, I think.
What do I get?
I thank you, and I love you, and
Happy birthday.
Oh, look at this! I can carry this. Yeah. Okay. Put in pain, boy.
Really? That's how you wanted to bring in your 21st birthday. Why would you get off like that?